So I may have talked about this before, but it's worth talking about again. Healing from betrayal is like getting battered by waves in the ocean. Here's what I mean. At first, the waves are coming at you so hard, so fast, you're drowning. You cannot even catch your breath. And then what happens is, at some point, the waves just give you enough of a space between the waves where you stand back up again, and then the next wave knocks you over. And then if you keep working at it and just trying to stand strong, the waves get long enough where you kind of brace yourself, and then you get knocked over again. And then what happens is your legs start getting so solid and so strong as you brace yourself and stand strong against that wave. And then what happens after that is you kind of realize, what the heck am I doing in the ocean? Let me just go back on the shore on my nice lounge chair, and you just enjoy the sunshine. That's what happens when you move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. So I know how painful it is. I know how much it hurts. I know in the beginning, you can't even feel, it takes all you have just to get through your day, let alone, do your work, raise your kids, whatever else it is that you have going on. But what I know for sure is transformation begins in stage 4. You've been through the worst of it already. You owe it to yourself to move completely through the stages. If you're in that stage where you are just getting battered by the waves, you are in stage 2. If you're bracing yourself and you keep getting knocked over, and then you get up and you get knocked over and you get knocked up, not knocked up, knocked over, you're in, and then you brace yourself. But this is like where you're saying a lifetime of just waves and more waves and more waves. That's stage 3. When you realize, wait a second, I have a choice here. I'm stronger. I want more than this. That's stage 4. When you're back on the shore, that's stage 5. So move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. I am here to help you get that done. It's proven. It's predictable. Nothing you can't do. So follow for more.